We have gone through all the questions in icebreakers. Now we will turn towards our poet. Okay, on page number 94. See, who is our poet? Walt Whitman. And see, his birth is on 1819 and death on 1892. So what was his period? 1819 to 1892. Okay. See the information. Walt Whitman was an American poet, essayist, and journalist. Whitman is among the most influential poets in the American canon and is often called the father of free verse. He grew up in Huntington in a family with difficult economic status. His major work, Leaves of Grass, was published in July 1855. His O Captain, My Captain, a poem written on the death of Abraham Lincoln, is widely popular. The section 1 of Song of the Open Road from Leaves of Grass is a beautiful blend of self-awareness, free will, and tenderness of heart. It gives us poet's realization that along the journey of life, one will face a test of wisdom which is not tested in any school or university. A road is something everyone uses, whether rich or poor, and it forces all levels of people to associate with one another. The road signifies mobility. One can take the road as a point to start over towards something new. Whitman talks about the people and places. He argues against staying in one place for too long, although the hospitality may be true. Okay, it is the information about our poet Walt Whitman. See, Walt Whitman is an American poet and he is called the father of free verse. Do you know the meaning of free verse? Verse means poem, and he is called as the father of free verse. Free verse means a poem which is without any rhyming words, without any rhyme scheme, or without any meter. So there are no rhyming words, no rhyme scheme. Such poem is called as free verse. See, Walt Whitman started to write the poem without any rhyming words, and that's why as he started free verse, he is called as the father of free verse. Okay, now we will turn towards our first stanza. See, what is the title of our poem? Song of the Open Road. Now see, I am going to read this stanza. Concentrate towards my reading. Okay? See, afoot and light-hearted, I take to the open road. Healthy, free, the world before me, the long brown path before me, leading wherever I choose. See, at the very first line, we will notice that the poet is so happy. Our title is also significant. What is the title? Song of the Open Road. The word song tells us that our poet is so happy. And see, the word open. How is the road? The road is open. That word open tells us about the freedom. The freedom our poet is experiencing throughout his life. See, our poet started his journey on the open road. Understand? It means that he is free to travel anywhere Understand? See the first line. Afoot and light-hearted, I take to the open road. Afoot means on foot. He is walking on his foot. म्हणजे पायी चाललेला आहे तो. And light-hearted. Light-hearted? He is so happy. The word light-hearted tells us that the poet is so happy. I take to the open road means I started my journey towards the open road. The poet is going out on the open road on foot. He is walking alone. No one was there to accompany our poet. He was alone. As well as he was light-hearted. It means that he is so happy and he is free on the open road. This poem is an expression of happiness. आपल्याला या पोएममध्ये काय दिसून येतं? हॅपीनेस दिसून येतं. पोएट्स जर्नी इज द जर्नी ऑफ लाईफ. जर्नी मीन्स कुठल्याही प्रवासाला निघालाय असं नाही, तर जर्नी मीन्स द जर्नी ऑफ लाईफ म्हणजे जीवनाचा प्रवास. अंडरस्टँड? इट इंडिकेट्स दॅट ही इज हॅपी इन हिज लाईफ जर्नी. सी द सेकंड लाईन. Healthy, free, the world before me. How is the world? The world is healthy as well as the world is free. World कसा आहे? Healthy आहे. Healthy means not strong. Understand? The word healthy shows us positiveness in poet's mind. The poet's attitude towards the life is so positive. See, each and every person has to face problems and difficulties in everybody's life. Understand? So our poet too has to face many problems and difficulties, but his attitude towards his life is so healthy. It means that his attitude is so positive. Positively he is looking towards his life. So the world is positive as well as it is a free world. Free world means he get all types of freedom in this world. So freely he enjoys his journey of life. Understand? See the next line. The long brown path before me, leading wherever I choose. Path means road. How is the path? How is the road? It is long. The path is long. It means that the journey of life is so long and he is enjoying each and every moment of his life. Understand? As the poet tells us that freely he is walking on the road, it means that here the poet speaks about the freedom he feels on his journey. He is free to travel anywhere. अंडरस्टँड? त्याला जिथे जायचं आहे तिथे तो प्रवास करू शकतोय. म्हणजे काय? ही गॉट फ्रीडम इन हिज लाईफ. सो सी, फ्रीडम, इंडिपेंडन्स, जॉय, पॉझिटिव्हिटी, ऑप्टिमिझम. ऑप्टिमिझम म्हणजे आशावादी. ऑप्टिमिझम आर द मेजर themes of our poem. Understand? So in the first stanza we will notice that our poet's attitude towards his life is so optimistic. He is so positive. Positively he is looking at his life. Understand this much? So this is our first stanza.